Do you want to know how you can sign up for Tavern AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Tavern AI. Go ahead and go to the search bar to search for Tavern AI sign up and then click on the second link, which will take you to the sign up page of Tavern. As you can see, you can start with your name, then write down your email address, then your password and enter your confirm password. So go ahead and go with the name and choose your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it. You can try and copy paste it here. If it works, you can go ahead and click submit. So you must notice that both of them should be correct. And you can either connect to your Discord or you can just click I don't have Discord. So as I have a Discord account, I'll go ahead and click to Discord. And sometimes it doesn't work out, so go ahead and click I don't have a Discord right now. And there you can see that your account has been set up and you have signed up to your Tavern account. So guys, this is how you sign up for Tavern AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.